The players today are escorted by boys' school team.
Well, it is a game which in the grand scheme of things may not have too much riding on it, but it is equally clear and very visible that there is much pride around it. Chants are filling our ears, proud renditions of hymns and songs. It is the perfect soundtrack. This is, of course, the Maracanã. It is a vast stadium, which many, and rightly so, consider the spiritual home of the world game. Just joining us, we are already underway.
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
And it's Cavani. Lovely ball into space. That's been intercepted. Eder Militao. Good pressure, no shortage of purpose here. Diaz. Rabiot. Good spot, he's seen the run. Benzema! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
De Roon. That is Cresswell. That's a poor pass, too easily intercepted. Josip Ilicic. And it's Cavani. Stones makes the interception. Rabiot powering forward here. And here's Mohamed Salah. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Sergio Ramos. Belts one! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Yeah, on another occasion, all that went wrong may come right.
Now it's Mariano. Diaz. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. And it's gone back to the keeper.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him. Challenged just a bit on the firm side. Now then, the ball's come loose. He's in here! Chance! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Ibrahimovic sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
He's tried one! He's missed, but not by that far.
Very speculative with little threat, if any, for the keeper.
Sergio Ramos picks it up from the goal kick. Rabiot. Foyt. Mohamed Salah. He's in a good... It's Rabiot! And it's a goal! Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Well, that defence is perplexed by the fact they've allowed him the space.
Chievo break the deadlock.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Cresswell, Benzema, gets his pass away. That is a brilliant interception. Diaz. Now it's Benzema. Diaz.
Look, it's a run defence's dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
Oh, he's caught him in or out. So a big, big chance now from 12 yards. Keylor Navas will have to save it here or there's real trouble. Calm as you like, and they're running away with it. A time for a cool head, and that is precisely what he showed.
It's in, but only just. The keeper guessed correctly, and the heart and mouth moment for the taker.
Goal! After 32 minutes is...
So that's 2 now without reply.
Number 11.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Oh, that's a key interception. The message is clear, none shall pass. Mariano.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Rabiot. Foyt. The ball is loose and the chase is on. In with a header! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
He's through here. Cavani. Defenders on the back foot. Can he finish?
There will be 1 minute added time.
And it's Salah. Long ball out to the right. Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah! Yes! And they're at it again in double quick time. Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper.
And the half-time whistle goes. As easy as 1, 2, 3. It really has been that straightforward halfway through the match, but very little to suggest that much will change over the second half.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said.
Mariano with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. Well, he can't say now that he hasn't been warned.
Well, he knew what he was taking on there, Peter, and special delivery from the ref.
Fiddles it through. He could be in here.
I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
Benzema, and the finish! In for the pieces! It's come back out! No mistake! Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. Keylor Navas did well the first time, nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
Chievo totally rampant here. Josip Ilicic. Danger is cut out. Diaz. That's a nicely measured pass. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Well, the pass wasn't good enough there, and he knows it. Diaz. Deftly done. Oh, that's well spotted. Ibrahimovic. And now the breakaway. Now it's Diaz. He's looking for the runner here. Keylor Navas can claim that. Oh, that is asking for trouble. He is through here. Shots on here. Well, the defence proved infallible then,
for this
but
match
that won't be the last they'll see of it.
80,607.
Still no way through. The defending here is resolute. Cavani. Cavani. Oh, well played. Benzema. Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Looks to go up and over. Lovely ball into space. Gets away from his opponent. Oh, he's been flattened there. That's good defending, very good defending. Foyt. And the ball's come loose here. Out to the left it goes. Goes in for the header! Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated. Now it's Mariano. Ibrahimovic. Poor pass that, sloppy. And here's Cavani. Takes on his marker. That pass needed to be better. Great defending, strong and determined. And here's Ibrahimovic. And he's in, hits one! Goal! With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Well, it doesn't have to look spectacular. Why complicate simplicity?
They're still trying to make a game of this. Now it's Mohamed Salah. He's through, now is he in? Oh, great defending, that needed doing. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. And here's Mohamed Salah. Oh, that's a foul, free kick's been given. De Roon. Well, that is one way to stop him. Diaz. And here's the chance to counter. Benzema has been caught there, it's a foul. It's a quick one. Benzema. No foul, says the referee. Ibrahimovic. Now it's Mariano. Now it's Ilicic. Ilicic unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Oh, nicely intercepted. Josip Ilicic. That's played into space. Oh, real danger here. Dink through. Look at the space here. Foyt. And he's had a hit! A real chance and a real let-off. It's a pretty loose pass. And time is up. Kievo enjoy their perfect...
Just a quick request today for everybody to please kindly remove any cars parked on the road outside the stadium.
Well, hello, welcome one and all. It's a pleasure to have you with us. As you can see, we are all set. The game should be a truly entertaining one, whichever side of it you find yourself on. We have a grand mass of noise and colour, and the juices are... Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. Well, we're on the way. Now it's Benzema. Oh, good ball! Benzema with a fine tackle. Now it's Diaz. And it's Salah. Oh, he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Foyt. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Oh, and he's broken the line here. Shot a goal! And he nearly went all the way.
Well, at least the crowd are appreciative of his efforts.
It's a pretty loose pass. Got a... It's Salah! Big moment! Massive goal!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
Well, there was to be no other outcome. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. He is through here. He's had a shot! In comes the cross.
There's much frustration as to the lack of a touch.
Has a goal! He's got away with one there.
That's what all good teams do these days. Pressing from the front is highly effective.
Benzema. And here's Mohamed Salah. Now it's Benzema. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Oh, that is a good ball to find him. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Oh, that's a key interception. And here's Benzema. Now there's a fine ball. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Stands up to him well and emerges with the ball. And the counter is on. Played out wide into space. And here's Payet. Oh, that was vital. He's found Payet! It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
Neymar plays it short. Marquinhos. And here's Payet. Kievo can counter promptly here. He might be in here. He's through and all along. He's had a hit. Rivaldo gets a foot in here. Benzema. Benzema. And they're back on the ball again. Poor pass that, sloppy. And now the breakaway. Now it's Benzema. Final ball not quite right, and his teammates are irritated at that. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Could move up a gear here. In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go. Benzema, and it's Payet. He's having a go! And that has sent him sprawling. And now a sudden chance to counter. It's a pretty loose pass. And that's put paid to a promising move. Now it's Benzema. And here's Mohamed Salah. Rivaldo. Diaz. Oh, it's come loose. Nice ball, and he might be in here. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Chance! No mistake! They have come roaring back! That really is quite fabulous, all his own doing.
Well, from the moment he got involved, he looked as if he'd go all the way. Terrific.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough.
There will be 1 minute
Benzema.
at a time.
Fabinho. Delicate ball, and it needs to be. That's a decent ball. And he's in a really good position here now. And the shot! And that'll be the final action of the first half. Well, it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests, and it has been more than decent to watch.
Hello attendees, this
The
is
midway
a
point of the game.
children's
Well, for us
announcement.
neutrals,
With the
this is
father of the boy
fantastic.
in a yellow
If you're a
t-shirt,
fan
kindly
from
make
either
his
side,
way
it's
to the
unpleasant,
information
and as for the
centre.
managers, check your heart rate.
Chievo head into the dressing room after a half in which we've seen 2 goals, 1 each, and the game right on edge. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. No changes at the interval from either side. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Lovely ball into space. Up to meet it! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Fabinho gets it back. The ball is loose and the chase is on. What a throw in. Benzema. Chievo upping the intensity here, having lost possession.
Yeah, it's actually very good pressing. They want it back as quickly as they can get it, and they're hunting in packs to do just that.
Good to watch.
It really is. It's rugged and robust, but it still needs plenty of intelligence and teamwork.
Neymar. Now it's Benzema. Diaz. Oh, that's a very decent ball now. Neymar. So what can they make of this? Poor pass that, sloppy.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore.
And that means just one thing, I suppose.
Yeah, they just simply want to engage the counter-attack.
No, that's been intercepted. Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him.
Was 71,649.
Chance to break. Good ball.
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of...
It's Salah! Really well taken goal. And again they hit the front. A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
Oh, that's a measured delight. The curl he applied was immaculate.
Goal! After 63 minutes is Mohamed Salah! Mohamed Salah!
Chievo get themselves into the lead.
Mohamed Salah!
And it's Neymar. Benzema. He's through, and this looks dangerous. Looking to break out here. He's played him through. Big chance, real chance! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
And that is not the first time, Peter, the keeper has been left exposed by this defence. It needs a quick fix.
Fabinho picks it up from the goal kick. Rabiot. Great hit! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Well, that comes down as wasteful again. The pass broke the line, and the finish, I think, broke a few hearts.
Holland. Strong running down that left flank. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Benzema. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. And he skips past his man. Toko Akanji! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class weight.
Substitutions taking place.
Well, there is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. A swift reaction then, and the boss opting to reshuffle his defence.
Look, only time will tell now if this is the right decision, but at least the manager hasn't dawdled. You know, he's reacted quickly, and it needed that.
Payet goes short. And the shot! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp. Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Spot on, Peter.
Great chance! A real chance and a real let-off.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. So, a genuine chance to increase the lead. Mohamed Salah! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Oh, well played. And it's Fabinho. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Ball's in with a header! It's in! And there's the goal they've been looking for. It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Kane demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
81 minutes is...
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that fate.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
Harry Kane!
Kievo take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win. Fabinho goes steaming forward. Mohamed Salah. He's had a fair tumble under that. Ah, it's been intercepted. There's the shot! And that would have won it.
Kane just got a little carried away with himself there. He knew he could have clinched it.
5 minutes left on the clock. Oh, good read. Defenders on the back foot. And here's Inzaghi. It's a pretty loose pass. Inzaghi. Payet. And here's Rivaldo. It's Rivaldo! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Two added minutes has been indicated.
And it's from Mario. And here's Rivaldo. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick. And he is going into that little black book.
Yeah, and I think the ref has just reminded him that he'd been warned earlier.
Rivaldo having a look. A real chance then to ease this unpleasant predicament. No joy with the long ball that time. And the number on the board is 3. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Kievo can be very happy with it.
Security staff for each block, please report to the staff room immediately.
So the wait is over, we can finally get going. Welcome to
Hello,
everybody who has
welcome
joined us
to
for this
today's match.
unmissable game. Hugely anticipated, hugely hyped, undoubtedly the place to be at this moment in time. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. And already we're underway here. Mane fiddles it through. Look at the space here. Goretzka! Chance to break. And here's Ibrahimovic. Kievo can breathe again, just.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Benzema. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Yeah, he's fouled him there. And it's Rabiot. It's a good ball and he could be in. Good read, needed to be. Now it's Mohamed Salah. He is through here. Ibrahimovic finds himself offside. And they've been caught out here. Mohamed Salah! And it's a goal!
Well, once more, it's him. And we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. And he's in a really good position here now. Decent hit! It's in! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them. Mane at his razor-sharp best there.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
Corinthians grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable.
Has a go! Well, the finish certainly didn't match the build-up.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
Corinthians can counter promptly here. Now it's Diaz. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Fabinho. Salah. Out towards the flank. Good claim by the keeper. He's certainly earned his keep there. Mane. Good spot, he's seen the run. Now the counter. He is through here. There's the shot! Oh, he can pounce on that. And now the breakaway. And it's Salah. Defenders on the back foot. Now it's Benzema. Interesting ball. Oh, well played. Long ball by the goalkeeper. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Robertson gets over and intercepts. Diaz. A real chance to break. Looking to break out here. Oh, that's a key interception. Back in possession and ready to go again. And it's Salah. Oh, no question, that's a foul. And that's put paid to a promising move. He's got to be in here! Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Diaz. And they can counter here. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Mohamed Salah running with the ball. Ball's gone out of play. Oh, he's picked out the runner. Goretzka gives his colleague a guilty look.
Ah, he made it look a bit predictable.
Robertson. Now it's Diaz. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Cuadrado has been booked, just to confirm, for that earlier incident. Nice ball, and he might be in here.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Picked out brilliantly. Mohamed Salah is flagged offside. No, he wasn't going to let him past. And that'll be the last act of the first half. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Yeah, chins have dropped, heads are down, and half-time couldn't have come at a better time.
Here we go again then.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up. And
Tries a shot! Yes! And surely that settles it. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Rabiot. Nice ball, and it's Benzema! Now, who's going to be first to this? Now it's Rabiot. Mane. And here's Rabiot. Modric. Ibrahimovic. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Oh, and he's broken the line here. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
No, he's not getting his way this time. Rabiot with a definite foul there.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore.
And that means just one thing, I suppose.
Yeah, they just simply want to engage the counter-attack.
Well, there's contact there one way or another. Oh, it's a penalty. So a big, big chance now from 12 yards. He'll know exactly where he wants to put it. And that's one back. Not a twitch, not a blink.
You could feel the tension as he stepped up to take that, but it didn't bother him, and he tucked it away perfectly.
Kievo give themselves a fighting chance, back in with a shout. Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. And this is Goretzka.
The attendance for this match was
It's a goal kick.
71,649.
Foyt. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Now it's in with a header! Harmlessly behind.
Well, we were anticipating this. They're very much set up for the counter-attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon.
Out to the left it goes. Gets his pass away, and he was alert to it. Oh, that's frustrating. The pass just wasn't good enough. And it's Ibrahimovic. Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. That's been cut out, well played. Forwards and with intent.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
And here's the chance to counter. It's a good run down the left-hand side. And he skips past his man. Now there's a fine ball. And here's Rabiot. Plays it in low. Mohamed Salah. Great hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Not the best distribution from the keeper. Foot in, looking for the runner, and he's picked out the run. Plenty of room for the shot.
What a letdown when you've got such presence and movement.
Shifted upfield. Could move up a gear here. It's out for a goal kick. Kievo can make their change now with a break in play.
Benzema. Luis Diaz. Coming on the field. Number 26.
Kane.
Mahrez.
Lovely ball into space.
Number 10.
Mahrez
Hey.
unable to make it happen for all his good
Number
intentions.
15.
The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. And it's Salah. So what can they make of this? Ibrahimovic! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Chance! Oh, taken with style! So calm under pressure, and he managed